big worry that Infosys, one of India's most respected corporate houses, could go the Tata standoff way. Well, now more voices are coming out to support founder Narayan Murthy's claim that hush money was paid as high severance pay. That's very harsh, said independent director Kiran Shaw.
Is this another Tata in the making? A day after Infosys, one of India's biggest IT companies, denied any wrongdoing as was alleged by its three founders, including Narayan Murthy, the company's former CFO says it's time to restructure.
If you want to hush up certain things, so when you make a large payment to people who had critical function in a company, it always raises eyebrows. I mean, Infosys had never paid for any senior employees in the past, including all of us. And we know much more data and much more confidential information about the company than the earlier CFO.
The situation is so bad that a law firm has been hired to mediate between the founders and the board running the company. Problems began after three founders voiced their criticism about a pay hike for CEO Vishal Sikka and a severance package given to two top executives. But as the chorus for change grows, the board has dug in its heels after this tweet from Vishal Sikka late yesterday. This morning, the company issued a statement saying it's aligned with the strategic direction of CEO Vishal Sikka.
I think there has been justification explained by the management to the board, and therefore we have to go with that.
Infosys, founded in 1981, has a market cap of over 2 lakh crores. According to stock exchange data, the Infosys founders, along with family members, own 12.75% of the company.
After the venerable Tata company, it seems to be the turn of India's second largest software company, Infosys, to be caught in perhaps a bit of a mix-up over corporate governance. The founders of this company are questioning the way it is being run now, and we haven't heard the end of this story yet. With Harish Upadhyay, Maya Sharma in Bengaluru for NDTV.